no gold is not enough.
Hello everyone, a cordial welcome to new session. Children, do you know how many senses do we have? Okay, let me explain. We have 5 senses. How many senses? 5 senses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many senses do we have? 5 senses. What are these? 1. Sense of hearing. Number 2. Sense of sight. Number 3. Sense of smell. Number 4. Sense of taste. Number 5. Sense of touch. So these are 5 senses. And now today we are going to talk about one of the 5 senses. What is that? Sense of touch. Children, please repeat after me along with action. Sense of touch. So which sense organ is used to feel objects around us? Yes, our skin. Look at yourself. Our full body is covered with skin. This is a skin. It helps us to feel different textures and substance of things. So when we touch, we can feel. Means our skin makes us to feel different textures and substance, and our skin makes us to feel which object is it. Right? The object is hot, yeah, cold, soft, yeah, hard. We have 2 amazing hands, right? How many hands do we have? 2. 1, 2. And we can touch with our hands and feel different objects. So children, everyone's loudly with action. When I touch, I can feel. Yes, so let's sing a beautiful song. When I touch, I can feel. When I touch, I can feel. I can feel. I can feel. When I touch, I can feel. Whether something is smooth. When I touch, I can feel. I can feel. I can feel. When I touch, I can feel. Soft, hard, or rough. All these are different texture. All these are different texture. Yes, when I touch, I can feel different textures. Smooth, soft, hard, rough, and the substance of things. Right? So in this rhyme, we have learnt about different textures like smooth, soft, rough, hard. Once again, smooth, soft, hard, rough. So children, let's learn something about different textures and substance of different objects. And now we are going to explore different objects through an activity. So are you ready for the activity? Yes? So let's begin. This is a soft toy. Yes, a beautiful soft toy it is, isn't it? And now I am touching it. How does it feel? See, it's a very soft, very soft. That's why this toy is called soft toy. So this soft toy is soft in texture. Soft means naram. Now I have some cotton. And how does it feel? You know very well, cotton is soft in texture. Cotton is very soft, right? Next, we are going to see some objects that are rough in texture. So let's see, what is this? This is a vessel scrubber. And it is very rough in texture, rough. Rough means khurdura, Rough means khurdura. So this vessel scrubber is rough in texture. Next, I have a handmade sheet. And now I am touching it and you can hear a sound over here, right? Yes. So this is also rough in texture. Now, what is this? It's a beautiful book, and this is the cover page of this book, right? And now I'm touching it and I feel something. And look at over here and observe very carefully. My hand is moving very smoothly, right? So this page is smooth in texture. Smooth means chikna. Yes, it is smooth in texture. I have a leaf, and this is also smooth in texture. Smooth means chikna. So children, you can also get different types of leaves around your house. So you can explore yourself, right? So this leaf is smooth in texture. Now I have, what are these? These are stones. And listen very carefully. A sound is coming up when I am hitting these stones with each other. That means these are very hard. So stones are very hard in texture, right? Next, I have a lock which is made up of iron. See, this one is very hard. Okay, any kind of iron tools are hard in texture. Okay, so cotton is soft in texture. Soft means naram. This is smooth in texture. Smooth means chikna. Vessel scrubber is rough in texture. Rough means khurdura. And stones are hard in texture. Hard means sakt. Children, we can also feel the substance of different object. If we touch a cup of tea, how does it feel? Yes, we feel hot because tea is hot. So if we touch a cup of tea, we feel hot. If we touch an ice cube, then how does it feel? It feels cold because ice cube is cold. So children, we can feel different types of textures and substance of different things through sense of touch. Yes, repeat after me. Sense of touch. And skin is a sense organ. So children, that's all about sense of touch. So keep exploring, keep learning, and see you again on the next video. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.